How to make your business brand stand out. What is a brand and what makes it stand out? A brand can be defined as a business's reputation or identity that sets it apart from other companies in the same industry. In order to make your business brand stand out, it is important to have a clear business strategy and effective brand management practices. How do you create a unique brand for your business? Creating a unique brand for your business is about much more than just coming up with a catchy name or logo design. To truly stand out from the crowd, you will need to think strategically about how you want your business to be perceived by potential customers and take steps to actively shape that perception. What are some common branding mistakes to avoid? When it comes to branding your business, there are a number of common mistakes that you should try to avoid. These may include focusing too much on short-term gains at the expense of long-term success, failing to engage with customers through social media and other marketing channels, and investing in low-quality branding materials that do not effectively reflect your business's values or mission. Ways to make your brand more visible and recognizable. There are a number of ways to make your business brand more visible and recognizable. This may include investing in quality branding materials such as logos and signage, establishing a strong online presence through social media and other digital channels, and engaging with customers through face-to-face interactions. Additionally, you can make your brand more visible by participating in trade shows and other industry events, sponsoring local sports teams or events, and partnering with other businesses in your community. Tips for protecting and managing your business brand. As a business owner, it is important to take steps to protect and manage your business brand. This may include registering your business name and logo as trademarks, monitoring social media and other online platforms for unauthorized use of your brand, and taking action against infringers when necessary. Additionally, you should develop a clear set of guidelines for how your business name and logo can be used by employees, partners, and other third parties. Tips for maintaining a strong brand identity over time. To maintain a strong brand identity over time, it is important to keep your business's mission and values front and center. This may involve regularly reviewing your business strategy and updating it as needed, engaging with customers through various marketing channels such as social media, and investing in high-quality branding materials that reflect your business's unique identity. Additionally, you may want to consider partnering with other businesses or organizations who share similar values or goals, as this can help reinforce your brand in the eyes of consumers.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.